So what are the common, like some of the most common mistakes you've seen? I mean, and I think we've covered that a lot, but agents do with leads, like in terms of like getting them to follow up, in terms of like the follow-up process and so on. Like what is the typical number one mistake that you see?
The biggest problem agents have is they don't make the time to consistently follow up. That's the number one problem they have. They don't have the time to consistently follow up. So because they have that problem, other problems begin to surface up, which means that a new lead comes in, you know you're supposed to follow up with that lead within 2 to 3 minutes, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Weekdays, holidays, vacation days, it doesn't matter what day and it doesn't matter what you're doing. You're supposed to follow up with that lead within 2 minutes, but you don't.
But in 2 minutes, I think that's a key point. 2 minutes.
But you don't. You follow up as fast as you can, which may mean after you leave the open house, which may mean in 3 weeks, which may mean never. So you never actually do what you were supposed to do because of the first problem. You don't have the time to consistently follow up, or you haven't made the time to consistently follow up.
So are you saying we should actually, like the realtor should actually follow up within the first 2 minutes? Is that really the golden recipe here?
Yeah, that's the key. You need to do it. If you don't do it within 5 minutes, that lead is cold, they've moved on. Your standard, your non-negotiable standard should be 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes.
Wow.
That's the key. Here's the opposite side of that coin. You can't follow up within 2 seconds. Because if you follow up with them within 2 seconds, you call them or you send them an email or you send them a text message, they're going to know that's automated. And people want to talk to real people, not robots. So your response rate will actually decrease if you follow up within a second. Just got a new lead, you automatically send them a text. They're going to know it.
They see this long text from me, they're like, well, there's no way this guy could actually
exactly.
type this in, right?
Exactly.